Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about managing diabetes through healthy eating. As you may know, diabetes is a chronic disease that affects how your body processes blood sugar or glucose. A healthy diet is an essential part of diabetes management. In this video, we'll share 10 tips for healthy eating with diabetes. Tip 1. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet should include carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Choose whole grain foods, fresh vegetables and fruits, lean meats, fish, poultry, nuts, and seeds. Tip 2. Watch your portion sizes. Eating large portions can lead to high blood sugar levels, so it's important to pay attention to portion sizes. Use smaller plates and cups, and try measuring your food to get a better understanding of how much you're eating. Tip 3. Limit sugar and sweets. Sugary foods can cause a quick rise in blood sugar levels, so it's important to limit your intake of sugar and sweets. Opt for sugar-free or low-sugar options instead. Tip 4. Avoid processed and high-fat foods. Processed and high-fat foods can be high in calories, which can lead to weight gain and high blood sugar levels. Instead, choose whole foods that are low in fat and calories. Tip 5. Choose healthier cooking methods. The way you prepare your food can impact its nutritional value. Choose healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, and steaming, and avoid frying. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help you manage your blood sugar levels and prevent dehydration, which can lead to other health issues. Tip 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can lower blood sugar levels and cause other health problems, so it's important to limit your alcohol consumption. Opt for low-sugar or sugar-free options, and drink in moderation. Tip 8. Plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulse eating. Take the time to plan your meals and snacks for the week, and stick to your plan as much as possible. Tip 9. Eat slowly and mindfully. Eating slowly and mindfully can help you feel more satisfied and prevent overeating. Take the time to enjoy your food, and pay attention to how your body feels. Tip 10. Seek support. Managing diabetes can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek support from family, friends, and healthcare professionals, and join a support group if you can. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, healthy eating is an essential part of managing diabetes, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Be sure to follow your healthcare provider's advice and take any prescribed medications as directed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.